I'm Srinivas. I do a lot of volunteering with young people in Morgan. I'm on the Babies Forum and Flunky Driving, which is the National Assembly of Children and Young People in Wales, and I'm now on the Babies Cabinet, which is mirroring the cabinet in Morgan. It's possibly the first in Wales. I've done a lot of volunteering with younger children in primary schools with the reading scheme.
What does it mean to you to win a Wales Volunteer of the Year award today?
It's pretty cool. It's not something I ever thought I could really do, and I didn't realise how much volunteering I'd done. So it means quite a bit out of, especially when there's like